Hi, this is a crash course to citation management with Zotero at University of Iowa Libraries. Zotero is a free bibliography and citation software for saving citations and generating bibliographies. Zotero works from a browser extension. Go to zotero.org to download. And be sure to add the correct connector for your browser. This is an empty Zotero library. Over here is where all our publications will be stored. You can add a folder for every different project. We can add titles manually or with a URL, ISBN, or DFire. This is the University of Iowa Libraries catalog. We're going to start our research by finding a book, and then we will find a periodical, look at databases, and then I'll show you how to cite directly from a website. And then we'll also create a bibliography just in a few minutes. That's how fast Zotero is. I definitely want this book. So I select it and save it into my Zotero library, just like that. Now we're going to find periodicals. I want the ERIC database. Let's use our search terms and update the year. Okay, perfect. I'll take this one. I'll add it to my Zotero library. Now let's go to a website. Here we are on a website. We want to add it to our Zotero library. We've added it. It's here. It's saved. Let's see how our records are looking in our Zotero library. This newspaper article could use a place and a date, pages, and an ISSN number. So entering the date was easy. You just click and enter. Same thing here. I want to investigate the location and page numbers and identifier number. You just right click and you view online. So easy. We are in our Word document. We've entered some text and we're ready to enter an in-text citation. So we go to the top at Zotero and we go to Add Citation. From our library, what we're doing is we're adding from the articles we've already collected. We can enter a name or a title. So we've written our essay and we're ready to add references. So we go to the top, again, to Zotero, and we go to Add, Edit, Bibliography. And just like that, everything is added.